Mamelodi Sundowns car collection is of 2025.
Disclaimer, the cars you see here may differ in color with the ones the players are owning, but the model and the pricing remains similar.
We'll begin the list with the goalkeepers. Starting off the list is Dennis Onyango with his 1.4 million rands Jeep Grand Cherokee, the White Beast. Riyad Peterse drives a Porsche Cayenne 2023 model which cost 1.9 million rands. Ronwen Williams, Africa's #1 shortstopper, drives a BMW M4 Competition X-Drive 2024 model which cost 1.1 million rands. Next up is the defenders. Rushin Diruk drives a Mercedes-Benz AMG A200 model, the 2022 version, and this car cost 899,000 rands. And we have Musa Lebusa who drives a BMW M2 Competition 2018 model which cost 800,000. Brian Onyango drives a 419,000 rands Mitsubishi ASX 2023 model. Aubrey Modiba drives a VW Polo 1.0 TSI R 2023 model. My friend Botuli drives a Toyota Hilux single cab. Zuko Mdunyelwa drives a Hyundai Creta 2024 model which costs 480,000 rands. Jonah Mendieta drives a Toyota Yaris Ascent which costs 477,000 rands. And we have Khuliso Mudau who drives a Proton X50 which costs 450,000 rands. Such a beautiful car, isn't it? And we have Tapelo Morena who drives an Alfa Romeo Giulietta which costs 429,000 rands. We'll get to the midfielders. Motobi Mvala drives an Audi TT RS which costs 912,000 rands. Grant Kekana drives a BMW 1M Coupe 2012 model which costs 1.2 million rands. And we have Gaston Sereno who drives a VW T-Cross 2019 version which costs 401,000 rands. Themba Zwane Mshishi drives a Mercedes-Benz A45 2019 model which costs 590,000 rand. Such a beautiful car. Thembinkosi Lodge also drives a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT which costs 1.3 million rands. And we have Tariq who drives a Kia Picanto which costs 250,000 rands. This might come as a surprise, but Dadokosi rides in a club transport and it's free of charge, no installment, no payment, no nothing, just performance for the player. And we have Spelele Mkhulisi who drives a very beautiful Mercedes-Benz AMG A35 model. Sipombule drives a Polo GTI 2022 model which costs 350,000 rands. Neo Maema drives a Hyundai Creta 2 which costs 430,000 rand. Such a basic car. Sianda Nyanga drives a Haval H1 2019 model which costs 190,000 rands. Matthias Esquivel drives an Opel Astra 2022 model which costs 537,000 rands. Well, Thando Buthelezi also rides in the club transport which is also free of charge. And we have Semisiabi who drives in a BMW X3 2020 model which costs 795,000 rands. Rivaldo Cote drives in this futuristic Peugeot 3008 2024 model which is a bit costly. And Lesibanku drives in this basic Hyundai i20N which costs 405,000 rands. Tebogo Mkwena rides in this expensive Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe 2024 model which costs a meter upwards. Terence Mashego rides in a VW Golf R-Line 2023 model which costs 695,000 rands. Aubas rides in a VW Golf FTI 2022 model which costs 800,000 rands. And we have Bongani Zoom with the Maserati Levante which costs 1.7 million rands. Such a beautiful car, one of the best ones here. And we'll get to the forwards now. Opening the list, the Tapelo Maseko with his Hyundai i30N 2024 model which costs 699 Gs. Lucas Rebello drives in a Toyota Yaris GR 2022 model which costs 848,000 rands. Allende drives in a VW Golf 7. And Nasser drives in a Suzuki S-Cross 2024 model. Shalulilo rides in a Hyundai Tucson 2023 model. We'll now get to the technical staff, the coaches. Opening the list is Manqoba Mngqithi with his Range Rover Evoque 2024 model, which costs 3 million rands. Damn. And it's Rulani Mkwena next with his Bentley Bentayga, which costs 6.5 million rands. That's Mamelodi Sundowns money is really long. Well, don't forget to watch Mamelodi Sundowns players' salary. Bye.